Lola!
Gusto ko ng aso, pero pusa ayaw ko.
Hello!
Burger or hot dog?
Burger.
Hot dog.
Siyempre,
Please.
alam kong gusto mong hotdog.
Okay.
Loved or respected? This is such a great question.
Ang lalaki kaya? Aha. Oh, thank you.
Hi! Wow! Bakit may pabulaklak? I love it. Ha? Wow! Hello, spring! Summer is coming! Happy Mother's Day! Hi guys, it's Al. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are in downtown Calgary. Ay, sumingit si Kuya. Hello, Kuya. Hi guys, it's Al. And today's guest.
The one and only.
If you don't know her,
The fashion queen.
she's my number one enemy. Enemy? My one and only
Frenemy.
frenemy. The
This
fashionista.
video-
The fashionista.
Yes. You got it right.
What are we gonna do
habang
today?
hinihintay natin yung father natin na pumunta doon, pakita mo. Maglalaro tayo na.
This or that.
So, sa this or that, there's 400 questions.
400?
400. Actually,
Bakit naman
400.
400, girl? Ilang
So,
minutes yun?
First one is burger or hot dog?
Burger.
Hot dog.
Siyempre,
Please.
alam kong gusto mong hotdog.
Okay.
Guys, rated SPG po. Dito sa vlog
Apples or
ko.
oranges? Apples.
Oranges. Just cause helpful siya pag may sakit ka.
True.
Wow.
Milk or juice? Juice because I'm lactose intolerant.
Milk. Milk for the win. Pwede yan gawing latte or shake. Milk for sure.
True. At nahulog na nga yung phone ko. Ano ba yan? Chocolate ice cream or vanilla ice cream? Vanilla ako because I don't like chocolate.
You know what? Chocolate. Woo!
Yes!
Nagkatog na.
Pancakes or waffles?
We should ask the questions with a view. Pancakes or waffles?
I would say
Pancakes.
pancakes.
You know me. I'm a pancake girl, especially on my days off.
Yes! Okay, next. Spaghetti or mac and cheese? Spaghetti kasi I'm Filipino.
Spaghetti.
With chicken.
Spaghetti!
Hey, with Jollibee spaghetti. Jollibee, baka naman.
Fresh
Sponsor.
lumpia or spring roll? Fried spring roll or fresh lumpia?
Spring roll ako. All
Yeah.
the way.
Spring roll.
Yes.
For sure.
Okay, this one, watermelon or grapes? Watermelon.
Watermelon or grapes? Watermelon for sure.
Cheese or pepperoni pizza?
That's so hard.
You know.
I'll go with pepperoni. Kasi ang pepperoni pizza, it comes with a cheese. Period. Fancy restaurant or fast food? This is a good question. Kasi yung isa sa amin makamasa, yung isa gusto ng mga fancy. So can you guess which one is the makamasa?
Parang alam na nila yung sagot.
Okay, fancy restaurant or fast food?
Fancy restaurant.
Of course. Of course.
Fast food siya.
Honestly,
Kasi
yeah.
itong kwento, wag nag-fancy restaurant. Oh my God, hindi siya marunong gumamit.
No.
Hindi siya marunong gumamit ng mga cutleries. Alam na natin.
Feel na feel ko lang.
At pag nag-order siya, oh my God, parang anong petsa na hindi siya naka-order.
Tinan mo si Papa, ang laki ng hiccup niya. Anyway, the only reason na
Ayaw niya
fast
kasi,
food,
no, the reason kasi kung ayaw niya ng fancy restaurant, ayaw niya naman siya tahimik. Kasi pag fancy restaurant kasi medyo mahal sila.
no.
Mahinhin sila na hindi sila masyadong mahal.
Pero tell them,
ganun na tumatawag.
tell them when tell them kung kailan ko lang gusto mag-fancy
Gusto niya na mag-fancy occasion.
Pag may special occasion, gano'n. Pag anniversary
Sila,
ng boyfriend na.
boyfriend
Boyfriend namin.
Oo.
Sabi ko, boyfriend ko.
Or kami
Boyfriend ko,
na
guys.
tumawagan.
Hindi kami share sa boyfriend. Okay,
Boyfriend,
sorry.
po.
Medyo nagkamali ako doon.
Hindi po kami nagsishare ng boys. Nasa
That's
ano po
our
namin
number
yan?
one
Sibling
card.
code namin.
Yes,
Ah,
sibling
it's
code. Yan, dami ko daw paandar.
Oh, eto na.
Okay.
Continue.
Continuation.
Beaches or mountains?
What?
Beaches or mountains?
Nag-hiking kami.
Kasi nag-hiking kami.
And then, it's been a while since pumunta kami
nag-beach
ng
kami.
beach. So, I don't know. Sorry. May mga nagbabike, guys.
Yeah.
Nagbablog
I
kami.
would say mountains this time.
Ay,
Yes.
beaches. Or, tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Basta mga dagat.
Okay. Big city or small town?
Big city or small town?
Big city. Kasi I'm a city girl.
Big city. Kasi small towns can be toxic. Own experience here.
I'll get
Okay.
with you.
Okay, itanong mo na yan with a view. Overlooking yung Peace Bridge.
Cartoons or live actions?
Cartoons or
Live actions.
live actions?
Live action. Superheroes or princesses? Oh my God, dahil avid fan ako ng...
Princess!
Dahil avid fan ako ng Marvel tsaka DC Universe, I would say superheroes. Although I love
Superheroes.
Disney princesses.
Yes.
Pero
No hate, but
I'm more...
superheroes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thor. Si Thor, specifically.
Okay.
Ito, board games or video games? Hindi kami nag-video games eh. Board games.
Board games. I
Board
suck
games ako.
at
Dati
video games.
dati
I
naglalaro
suck
ako
at
ng...
video games.
Dati
Tinuruan
naglalaro
ako,
ako ng Mobile Legends but not anymore.
tinuruan ako ni Vic, remember?
Yes.
Tinuruan ako ng
Eto.
boyfriend ko mag-video game but I just suck at it. So, move on. Eh, this or that. Ang bagal, guy. Okay,
Nature
bilisan.
documentary or animated movie? Hindi ko alam kung nasa ba.
Movie versus major documentary. Animated movie.
movie ako. Oh?
No, because makili ako sa documentary. Like,
Dress
gusto ko
up.
yung interested talaga. Like, interesting talaga.
Okay. Sabi niya Harry Potter or Hunger Games?
Hunger Games!
Harry Potter.
Just because I haven't seen Harry Potter, please don't hate on me.
Harry Potter kasi binge watch ko siya just last week.
Well, Harry Potter is on my list, I promise.
Okay.
Mystery fantasy.
Fantasy.
Fantasy. Headphones or earbuds? I think I know what you will answer.
Headphones.
question.
Dahil
Earphones. Video calls or text messages?
video call. Kasi tamad ako mag-text.
Sorry, but text message.
Picture mo na kami.
Okay, next question. Ang galaw mo naman, girl. Smartwatch or fitness tracker?
Smartwatch. Kasi
Smartwatch.
mas gusto ko yung ano.
Okay. Waxing or laser?
Laser.
Laser? Yeah, laser. Pag may pera. Pero pag walang pera, waxing. Okay. Swimming or hiking?
Dahil ayoko nababasa lately, hiking tayo.
Of course. Swimming. Para maiba naman. Fishing or camping? Of course,
I would say... Wait, teka lang Kailan ba tayo kasi nag-fishing?
Just answer the question. It's just
never
a question.
in our entire life
It's
na
just a
nag-fishing kami.
question.
We're always going camping.
Hi, guys. Okay.
Nagbabalik kami.
So next question will be our final this or that portion. Deep talk edition. Deep this or that edition. Okay, so there will be like 5 questions. Play it safe or risk it all?
Oh my gosh, risk it all. Please. I love some challenges.
Risk it all, for sure.
Risk it all.
Loved or respected? This is such a great question.
You know what? Kasi pag sinabi mong respected, that means you're being loved. For me, Kasi meron yung mga taong mamahalin ka pero walang respect.
Yeah.
Pero pag sa oras na respeto ka,
everything comes with it.
That's considered love for me.
Yes.
Kasi I'm well being respected.
Yes.
Depende na lang
Pareho
kung
tayo.
ano yung definition
Pareho
niya ng
tayo ng
respected.
thoughts.
Pero for me, definition ko kasi pag narespeto ako, lalo na yung taong mahal ko, that's considered love. Kasi kahit anong
Yes.
decision mo,
Because when somebody respects you, kahit sino pa yan, it's like everything comes with it. Like everything comes after it. You know what I mean? Okay.
True.
Third question. Heartbreaker or heartbroken?
Hindi pa naman ako na heartbroken. So,
Ako na heartbroken na ako.
gonna pass. Kasi ayoko din naman ng heartbreak.
Heartbroken. I feel like
Lalo ka na.
Heartbreaker, it sounds too cruel for me. Mas magandang ako na yung masaktan. What? Okay. Dine alone or watch a movie alone?
Well, I'm in my
sobrang sad nung dalawa.
I'm in
Pero,
my introvert
like I said-
era.
Yes.
I'm in my introvert
Like I
era.
said
So,
noon.
ano ako, like dine in alone. Ay,
yes, yes.
Ano ba yung question ulit?
Dine alone or watch a movie alone?
Oh, watch a movie alone.
Yes.
Sorry, not
I
dine
prefer
alone.
dining alone too.
Kasi I hate eating by myself.
Wait, you said dining alone.
No, I take it back na.
Oh,
I said I'd rather watch a movie alone.
okay.
Yes.
Okay, no more social media or no more messaging apps? No more social media for me. As long as there are messaging apps
No more messaging apps.
where I can talk to my
Kasi
my
I need
family.
I need my social media for
Of
my
course.
outfits.
Okay,
Pero yun sa'yo,
no more social media. As long as there's messaging
hindi
apps.
mabubuhay to ng walang social media.
Yeah,
Ako talaga
for
hindi ko
real.
kaya. Okay, okay rin.
Yes, yes.
Kasi maano
And then last question.
Sino ba nang mamariwana dito?
Huy. Okay,
Now,
last question. Learning a new language or learning a musical instrument? Wow, this is tough. I like both. Pwede both? No.
For
Okay.
me, learning a new language kasi ever since gusto ko talaga matutunan mag-Korean.
You know what? Yes.
Korean. Or
I
French.
Yes, which
Dito tayo, tabihan natin si Father.
I am right learning now language from Netherlands.
Wow.
Okay, we have
Oh my God,
okay,
yes.
ito yung pinaka-final portion namin. We are gonna ask our dad some questions and he can only pick one. First question. Play it safe or risk it all?
Come again?
Play it safe or risk it all?
Risk it all.
Wow. Loved or respected?
Both.
No, only one.
Respected.
Diba?
Heartbreaker or heartbroken?
Heartbroken.
Okay. Past or future?
Future.
Read thoughts or speak to animals? Ooh.
Speak to animals.
Okay. No more social media or no more messaging apps?
No more messaging.
You want social media?
No more messaging apps, pero baka makatext ka naman sa amin non-stop. Mabubuhay ka doon na
Actually,
you're
guys.
not checking in on us.
Government aid or community support?
That's our mother dear.
The rest of the question?
Final question. Learning a new language or learning a musical instrument? Musical instrument.
See, there you go.
O
I've
kasi,
never answered this question. I'd like to learn a musical instrument. I'd like to continue my piano lessons for sure.
Good.
We just wrapped up our little this or that game. I'll see you on my next vlog.
Yeah.
Stay tuned on my next
baka is
vlog.
muna ako.
Bye.
Well, always saksikan ko.
Let's go.